The challenge of the week this week is the toothpick challenge. You have to get the star inside the house with only 3 moves of the toothpick. Good luck.
Challenge is the toothpick challenge, where you arrange 5 toothpicks like a house and a circle on the side, and then try to change 3 toothpicks to rearrange the toothpicks to be around the circle. Try to do it now.
This is how you do it. So you move this one right above the spider web. Move this one closer to the spider web.